Back, guys. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can set up your shipping for your Shopify store, and I'm going to show you different ways and different preferences that you need to know before you set up the shipping, and how you can do the right way, because if you're not setting up shipping the right way, then the customer not going to be able to check out the product. They won't be able to buy your items. All right, so it's very simple, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that. All right, so you can go to the settings first, or you have to click on the settings, and then you're gonna see the shipping right here. So click on that. So once you do that, you'll be able to see the shipping options that you have. So the first thing that I want you to do is click on this right here, saved package, edit this right here. Sorry, edit, yeah, you need to edit that right here, basically. This or something else. This is not the one. There is the additional shipping weight, pack and slip template, upgrade shipping, add services, blah blah blah. So I don't see that at this point, so which is good. Now what you need to do is you need to uh, add the shipping rules, basically. So for USA, you can click on this right here, edit, and you can name it anything you want. I just keep it domestic, right? So now there is two ways you can include the shipping, right? And calculated rates, just close this out. I don't want that. Anything calculated, I don't want that. All right. So there is two ways you can include the shipping. The first way you can include the shipping is price based, basically. So some store you're gonna see that they shows you like, okay, if you made, let's say $35, the minimum payment, minimum product cost, then your shipping gonna be free. So that's a rule that you can set up. And to set this up, you can click on add rules, and you can click on standard shipping, right? Standard shipping. And then you can include the minimum order is 0 to $24.99, and the shipping is gonna be $4.99. Let's say that's how you must charge. That's how you want to charge, basically. So anybody buy anything below $25 have to pay $4.95 in shipping. And then you want to add another rule: anybody buy more than anybody buy $25 or more have to pay no shipping. So the shipping gonna be free. So you can add another shipping rule called free shipping. You can put 25 and no limit. Just keep it like the way it is, and you just have to click on free shipping. Done. Now anybody who try to check out any product below $24 have to pay $4.95 for shipping. Anybody who is buying product more than $25 have to pay no shipping. All right, but the most used shipping method that we use as a dropshipper is the weight-based rate. And if you are shipping from AliExpress, then I would prefer, or I would recommend you to not use any shipping method. The reason why is the reason for that is it decreases your conversion rate. I tested different ways of doing the doing the drop shipping, so I tested different price point for the shipping, and trust me guys, if you can sell the product without adding any shipping cost when you drop shipping, then it will be much better for you. Because if you are exporting product from China, you're sending product from China to your customer's house, it would take anything between 7 to 14 days minimum. Minimum is 7 to 10 days, and the highest it can go from 14 days to 21 days. So you have other e-commerce competition out there, so I'd prefer you to not use any type of shipping cost, charge any type of shipping cost to your customer. That's a big plus point. Even when I do drop shipping using the printer Nima platform, I do not charge people for shipping because shipping decreases my conversion. A lot of people says they're fine with it, they're okay with it. They don't see any difference between charging shipping or not, so they charge us for shipping. But for my experience, shipping decreases my conversion, and I wanna let you guys know about that. But if you wanna charge for shipping from your side, go ahead and test it out. If it works for you, great. If it does not, you can always switch back, right? So this is the price-based shipping, right? You can delete them anytime. This is the weight-based shipping. Now, weight-based shipping used to be extremely important back in the days when we could do free plus shipping. Means that you buy a product, you don't pay for the product. All you do is you pay for the shipping. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can set that up. So we used to do called free plus shipping, right? For one product, right? So shipping from one product, we will put 0.44 to 0.49, and I'll explain how this works out. 49 shipping amount, we put 9.95. That means anything that goes from 0 to 4.9 pound would be 9.95, right? And then we would add another rules, basically, where anybody who would go between 5 pound to, let's say, 9 pound, have to pay 18.95. And anybody, I want to add one more, basically, anybody would go between 10 pound to 14.99, have to pay $27 of shipping. And I'm going to explain all of that for you, so you're not going to be confused. I'm just adding them out, so just take a look at it closely, and then I'm going to explain everything to you. So anything goes between 15 pound to maximum 100 pound, get free shipping. So now what I added is 4 shipping rules. The first one is free plus shipping rule. Anything that goes between 0 to 4.9 pounds should be 9.95. What that means is, if you're not familiar with free plus shipping, is basically you are telling the person or your customer that I'm not going to charge you for the product. The product is free, but you have to pay for the shipping. Basically, you're gonna see it's extremely famous on the internet marketing niche, book funnels nowadays. But back in the days when the Shopify and Dropship came out, and it was in its baby stage between 2014, 15, 16, and in the beginning of 17, we used to run free plus shipping. Means that we would drive people in our store, would say the product is free, but you have to pay for shipping. It still works in certain categories, but it's much more expensive to run and drive customer from Facebook to your Shopify store. So lots of people don't try that at all, or don't recommend that at all, but you can set them up still. So what we used to do, we used to set up any product that we will do free plus shipping to 4.9 pounds. So that way, if the customer would buy one product, it will charge 9.95. If the customer would buy 2 products, that would be 4.9 pound plus 4.9 pound, that would be 9.8 pound. They'd pay $18.95. If they would buy 3 products, basically, then we would charge them $27.95. And anything that was not included into the free plus shipping funnel, if we added other product that was not free plus shipping, we would just mark them as 15 pounds. You can set that up on your Shopify store when you are adding any product, and I'll show this to you when I add a product, and I'll show you the steps how you can add a product manually and how you can automate the process. All right. So This is how we used to set up the weight-based shipping costs. Basically, you can do price-based, you can do weight-based. It's all up to you, or you can do both. You can add a price-based shipping where if any product cost goes up after $25, then you're gonna give them free shipping. You can add that rule as well, so you can combine them too if you want to. Or let's say if you are drop shipping from America and you want to charge them shipping based on their destination, so you can set that up here. Basically all you have to do is just add rate, and all you just have to do is just select the type of shipping that you want to provide them, and just have to click on done basically. And once you click on done, when the people are gonna go to the checkout, they're gonna see their shipping rate after they put in their address and their zip code. All right, so that's how it works out between all these three. So select the one that works the best for you. In the future video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add product or upload product manually, and how you can automate the process. So once you are satisfied with the rules, you can click on save, and you can click on shipping again, and you can add international shipping rates as well. If you want to do, or if you want to ship product internationally, you can do that the same way. All right, uh, it's the same thing. All they have is a extra option where you can do like a what is it called, country-based shipping cost, between country-based shipping cost using the USPS or DHL. All right, so everything else is same. You can add countries or you can exclude countries. For example, if you just want to ship the product in United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, which are first-tier country, right, who have a who uses credit card fluently like America, and you want to add those countries and you want to exclude the rest of the countries of the world, you can do that. You can select any specific country, and you can select the shipping cost for all this country. Or if you don't want to include any country and you want to have all the country, basically all you have to do is just click on the rest of the world and click on add, and you'll be able to set up your shipping from here. All right, makes sense, guys? So this is how simple it is. I just wanted to show you guys, because if you are not setting up the shipping the correct way, your customer are not going to be able to purchase any product from your store. All right, hope you enjoy the video. If you have any question, if you want me to add anything in the future video, please make sure you leave a comment below, and I'm gonna get back to you guys, and I'll make sure that I answer the question of yours. If you are still confused about anything, I'll be more than happy to create more videos about shipping or anything that you have question about the Shopify and drop